guys, I'm gonna take these former bikini side rings and make some nipple ring bikini top out of this rope and these old rings from my bikini bottoms. And I like the bottom part because it jangles. I like that part. And since my boobs are the size of this top ring, the nipple part, then I can just take this, put a cover over it, and then I can put string coming out here and here and here, right? So the part that comes out here will be around my neck and it'll connect like this. It'll be like this, like this. This will be the dangly part down here. I'm going to connect this string will go across my chest this way. Then I'll connect a string here up and around my neck down to here. And then I'll probably connect a string out from here, the side here, and the side here, and wrap it around my back. And then I'll have a bikini top, and I can just take a little piece of material, put it here and here to cover my areola area. And then I got a nice bikini top. Advantage of having small boobs. Love y'all bitches. Bye. Stay tuned for the finished product. Oh, and here's a string. I got it for, and you can show you the price, 199 euros. So this is upcycled. This was free. This was 199. So a bikini, and then I'm going to get some material from some shirt somewhere. So I have a bikini top that's going to cost me about what? 2-3 euros maximum. Love y'all bitches. Stay cunty hunties and stay tuned for the finished product. Okay. Show too much because it's thing, but I loop this string around and you hear them here, and they're staying on. Here's the string. I'm shaking it by the string here, so it works. So we did it. Love y'all bitches. Cheers to having small boobs. I am Tammy, the president of the itty bitty titty community, and I approve this message. Create a bikini top out of €2 string and some old bikini bottoms because your dumb ass was too cheap to buy the right size. So you bought 2 sizes or 3 too small. Love y'all bitches. Stay cunty hunties.